Hello friends, welcome back to Tips and Tricks. Do car tires expire? The answer is a big yes. Tires, like most other car parts, are built to withstand a great deal of wear and tear. Unlike other car parts, however, tire manufacturers always give only an estimate for about how long a tire should last. There is no definitive tire age limit as to when you should replace your tires. Typically, a tire expires between 5 to 7 years according to the brand that you are using, regardless of time in use. Many automakers tell owners to replace tires 6 years after their production date, regardless of the usage, road condition, temperature, weather condition, and finally your driving style all affects the lifespan of your tires regardless of the kilometer you run. As a thumb rule, keep 5 years or 80,000 kilometers in mind. After 5 years or 80,000 kilometers, your tire should be thoroughly inspected at least once per year by a professional. So how do you check the expiry date on the tire? Since no expiry date mentioned on the tires, the only way to check the expiry is to find the production date. It is very easy to locate the manufacturing date of the tires. Every tire has a serial number or DOT number printed on it. Look for the letters DOT, then a number code on the tire sidewall. The last 4 digits of the serial indicate the week and year that the tire was made. For example, this tire has a production date of 5018. It means the tire was made in 50th week of 2018, which is December 2018. So when you buy a tire next time, make sure to check the production date first. Hope this video is useful to you. Till we meet again, goodbye and safe driving.